Hey girl, happy new year. It is January 1, 2026. We are getting ready to go to my brother-in-law's house for New Year's Day dinner. My husband's uncle is in town from Chicago, so we are on the way. I just finished my mac and cheese, so I'll show you that before we get that packed up to go in the car. They live about an hour away, so we're going to hit this road in a minute. Dinner's at 4, so we're looking forward to it. I hope you all had a fabulous new year. Let me know in the comment section if you do New Year's resolutions. I am not a New Year's resolution girl. Look, I'm all about routine. Resolutions are meant to be broken. We're about lifestyle changes here, okay? Implementation daily, not just New Year. But anyway, let me know what you all are thankful for making it through 2025 and what you're most excited for in 2026. But let me show you real quick the macaroni before we pack that up, okay? All right, y'all. I think my husband is in the shower. And let me turn this down. Let me show you my mac and cheese, honey. And then I'm going to show you the wall art, y'all. We finally got our wall art. I'm excited. But let me show you this. Doesn't this look good? This is the mac and cheese I threw together. So I'm letting it cool right now because we need to transport it. So I have the top to put on, but y'all. And then I have my black-eyed peas. I think my sister-in-law, she had surgery yesterday, so I don't think she was able to pick up some. So we may stop and get some more. And I'm trying to think what's on the menu. I know it's like fried chicken, turnip greens, my mac and cheese, maybe mashed potatoes. Did I say turnip greens? Y'all, this perimenopause or menopause fog is real, okay? But other than that, I am about to get dressed. I'm not dressed yet. We're going to leave out about 3 o'clock. Dinner is at 4. But, oh, let me show you real quick the picture in here before I forget. This is our wall art that we got finally. And I know it's not showing well on camera, but it's big. It's over the couch here. And I think we're going to get another couch too. We've had this for a while. But y'all, this is the wall art. And we love it. It's exactly what we're looking for. The perfect size. And we love abstract. So this is it. It took us forever, y'all, to find this. And I am so happy we did. So it goes perfectly. And then going into our bedroom, it kind of blends. And I didn't mean to do that, really. That was not the intention. But let me see. Make sure my husband's not in here. But if you could see in here, like our bedroom is a similar color. Excuse the end tables. But yeah, my husband's right here in this bathroom. But yeah, it's the color here. And it blends perfectly, y'all. I don't know if you can really see it, but it is perfect. Like, especially when the bedroom doors open, it looks amazing. It's so welcoming, and I love that. I love uniform colors. But we need to do some stuff over here, y'all. We took down Christmas stuff, and I don't even remember what I had up here. We have cards. Look at Layla. Hey, Layla. She's like, what are you doing, Mommy? Today is January 1. I need to finish my reading, y'all. That's one thing I said this year. Instead of my reality TV stuff, which honestly, I think I'm outgrowing that finally because I am so far behind on so many of the franchises. Salt Lake City, honey, I don't even know. I think it's been like 5 episodes I've missed, okay? Married to Medicine, I stay in touch with Married to Medicine. Potomac is good. I do watch that. Layla, what you want, baby? What you want? Back outside? Hold on, y'all. Okay, she just came in, but I think she just does that because she knows we're getting ready to go and she's not going to be able to come with us. My husband Corey's niece's dog and his nephew's dog. Bringing Layla, y'all, I know she's going to feel like I'm missing out, and we come back, she's going to smell us and know that dogs have been around mommy. But y'all, if we brought her, we would not be able to really enjoy the family because she is off the chain, okay? She has to be the center of attention. So today is not the day. So she's okay usually. Probably be gone for about a few hours, maybe a little longer, but the dinner's at 4, so hopefully we'll be back by 8. Maybe, but she'll be fine. But other than that, I hope you had a great new year. We did not go to our the watch service last night, but we did watch it online, and it was spectacular, okay? It's like he was speaking directly to me, our pastor. So I know great things are ahead, and I've been praying over a lot of things in this upcoming year, and I'm excited for 2026. So I hope you are as well. Let me stop rambling. I'll probably take this camera when we get in the car. We need to stop and get gas because we're going to take my car today And yeah, we're gonna have to get out of here in a few minutes. So I'm gonna give Layla a little snack because we'll be gone at her time that she normally eats dinner. So I'm gonna give her a little snack and then let her eat when we get back. So she's outside now, but we're gonna hit this road and get going. So I'll bring the camera. If not, oh yeah, y'all, I wanted to show you too. My husband got me the Ray-Bans AI glasses. Love them. Okay, I had them on last night when we were downtown and I got some great images, so I can't wait to share that, just to kind of play around with them. So it's a fun gadget, y'all. I should show you. I'll go upstairs in a minute. I'll grab them and show you too, but they are so cool. A lot of people probably don't know what they are, so I may have them on and film there at the house and then let them know, because that is an invasion of privacy for some people if you don't tell them. And if you know what you're looking for, you can see that like white, that camera on the right side of the glasses. But I may show you now. Let me go. Okay, y'all, I need to hurry up. My husband's like, hurry up and get ready. He's still in the shower. These are the Ray-Bans. This is the Skyler model. So the model is Skyler, Skyler. And these are the ones that when you go into the sunlight, like they transition from regular glasses to sunshade. So my husband did good on these, y'all. And this is the color. I love this. I hope this picks up well on camera. These mugs are fire, okay? I love this. I tried them out when we went to lunch the other day, and I had them on in the restaurant, which I have not edited that footage yet. That's something else I'm doing better on in 2026 is getting stuff edited, okay? There's so much lost footage or deleted footage that I've had, y'all, that I have just not had the time to edit because it was way too long. I need to watch that. So I'm gonna try to aim for like 12 to 15 minute or less vlogs at first. Let me graduate to those longer ones, okay? These are the glasses, and you can see right here is the camera. So when you tap this and hold it down, it records. And then when you just tap it once, it's a picture. But I love them, y'all. They are the coolest. And then, you know, right here, I have them paired so I can ask Siri, you know, what the temperature is. I can play music. I can check messages. I can talk on the phone with these. Love them. The only thing about these though, the battery life is up to 4 hours. I think it's longer. I don't use them to talk on the phone, and I don't use them to play music, not yet. Anyway, I use them mainly to record when I'm out for, you know, my content. But yeah, so these are cool. So I'm gonna hold them down and you'll see this light come on here. Let me know in the comment section if you have any of these. And I need to get dressed. This is not even my outfit I'm wearing, y'all, but I'll pick you back up in the car and show you. But let me just hold here. And this is recording. I don't know if you can see the light right here. So right here, this is recording. This camera setup and everything. It's recording everything, my whole living room. So I'll probably insert that in this video once I edit. But y'all, these are the real deal. I love them. And if nothing else, you know, they're for fun. And it's just fun to capture like shorts because it does record in vertical only, not horizontal. That's something I found out. And my husband realized that too when he was going to purchase these at Best Buy, but y'all, love them. Aren't they cute? Let me cut it off. The default is 1 minute that these will film. So if you want to film longer than a minute, you have to start over. I think it can do up to 3 minutes though, but the default is 1. I haven't messed with the settings too much, but I can adjust it to 3 minutes if I really wanted to capture quite a bit of stuff. But these will be ideal when we travel in February. We plan on doing Miami finally, but anywhere we go, these are perfect. So I love them, y'all. They do so much. And then they come with a cleaning case, but they are gorgeous. They are absolutely gorgeous. I love the color, and I like funky frames anyway. You can get these with prescription lenses. My husband didn't, but I wear glasses and contacts. I should put my contacts on, but I'm just wearing glasses. I'm letting my eyes rest, and I've been letting them rest for like 3 months without any contacts. But y'all, these are so cute. Ignore Layla, y'all. She's back upstairs probably barking at a dog. But yeah, my husband did good. Uh-oh, did I just do something? Yeah, I hit it accidentally. So you see this is recording. These are cool, y'all. All right, y'all, let me go ahead and get dressed and I'll pick you back up later. Hey girl, we're on the road to my brother-in-law's house forgot to show you my outfit before I left, but we were running behind, so I'll show you a little later. I have my husband filming for you. What's it called? We'll edit. This perimenopause is for real, okay? I forget a lot. Let's just say that. How big do I forget? He said a little bit.
Not a whole lot.
Yeah, not bad, but it's, yeah, I don't know. It's that foggy brain syndrome. I feel it at times. When I was talking to Mama earlier, I was right in the middle of a sentence and forgot what I was saying. And I said, what did I know? She said, yep, that's that menopause, that fog. So, I don't know. That's been happening lately. But I go to the doctor. I think I was telling y'all that in January. I need to double check. I think it's the first week in January, but I'll get my reminder here shortly. But I need an OBGYN. I had one that performed my hysterectomy in 2022, but tell me why I haven't heard from her since she performed the hysterectomy. No kind of follow-up, nothing. So I have been going without an actual annual exam. So I need to ask my PCP to refer me to just a very good, reputable OBGYN who has good bedside manner and is not trying to rush you out the door, you know. So hopefully I'll find him or her. I'm a girly that prefers a male OBGYN. I've heard that from other women too, but let me know in the comment section what you all prefer. I don't know. I find them more gentle. They're more understanding. I don't know. I've had 2 male doctors and they were just spectacular. I haven't had the best of luck with females. Not here anyway. Not knocking any other, female OBGYNs, but the ones I've encountered are not all of that at all. Trying to get that under wraps so I can ask these questions about these symptoms and see what we can do to get these symptoms under control, girl. So I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, we're about 18 minutes out. So I will get off here and I'll try to film some when we get to my brother-in-law's house, y'all. Okay, talk to you later. Y'all are on here.
I'm upset because I was so busy moving around, we didn't get a big family picture.
We sure didn't.
And we normally get a family picture.
I was telling you, sure didn't.
Mother was here.
That's right, and I still have that picture. I run across it. I love that picture.
I don't know why I'm thinking 32, well, 2026, 50.
Okay.
Says nothing but a word.